Even though the price of Cardano has been coming down and we could still see some downward action in the price, accumulation from some of the big whales has reached its highest levels since September of 2022. Recently, in our most recent Cardano update, we talked about some of the work that Messari did, talking about the TVL going up, talking about some of the big things that are happening on the Cardano network, especially when we look beyond just price action here in this bear market. But this gives us good confidence that we're in a project that is a good long-term investment. None of us have a crystal ball, of course, neither do I, right? But I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I am a huge Cardano bull. I've got a lot invested in Cardano, guys, a really, really good amount. It is my third largest holding behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the reason is I think it could be a smart contract platform that maybe doesn't pass Ethereum, but can coexist with Ethereum. And in and of itself, could be a really, really strong project that is still in its early days. And a lot of Cardano whales, it turns out, they think the same thing that I do. So check this out. Cardano whales holding 100K to 10 million ADA have accumulated back to their highest levels since September of 2022, according to a Twitter post shared earlier today by the on-chain analytics platform Sentiment. These whales have accumulated 116 million more in ADA since May 21st, 2023. So while a lot of retail money has been getting out of Cardano on the scares probably of the SEC and what have you, Cardano whales have been adding. Said another way, retail money has been zagging, Cardano whales have been zigging. They're doing the opposite. And we always want to keep in mind what the whales in any crypto project are doing. So as Cardano sits just above 29 cents right now, we'll take a look at that price actually and see where we're at. Cardano right now sitting at 29 cents, basically 30 cents. It's actually up 4%, getting a nice little surge here. You can see it right there, up a little bit here today. As we're seeing, this 30-cent mark has been a really, very popular area here for Cardano for a long time, especially throughout this bear market. As we see that, whales and sharks holding between, again, that 100K to 1 million ADA have accumulated back to their highest level since September of last year, almost a year ago. Additionally, on-chain transaction volume has been rising as well, nearly every week for the past 6 months. Again, on-chain transaction volume, guys, been rising every week for the past 6 months. This is coming from Sentiment. So it's not all doom and gloom when it comes to Cardano. The price action has been halted. It's slow moving, but there's a lot going on here. And all of this is coming from, Sentiment, data from Messari into the block. Sentiment's data also indicated that ADA's on-chain transaction volume has been rising, again, over the last 6 months. Over the past 24 hours, ADA saw a nice little price increase, and now we're up about 4% here today. So that's good to see here in the short term. And the altcoins trading volume has been slightly down, but still at a solid mark. Keep in mind, Cardano has never been a fast mover, guys. It's never been a catch me while you can type of crypto. It's been a slow and steady mover, and it was a late bloomer in 2021 toward the tail end of that bull market where it reached its all-time high. So with Cardano comes patience, but good sign is we have a lot of good things to report on, including that TVL, including transaction volume, including whales that are buying at their highest level since September of 2022. All of that, 3 big catalysts that have Cardano holders, investors, looking forward to the future. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you all. I really, really do. If you guys want to get back to the channel, just smash the like button, subscribe down below. Check out all the links down there as well in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.